Hi there, I just want to show you something I found out and I tried with a new feature in Adobe Photoshop 2021 using the neural filters and specifically Smart Portrait on something other than actual photographs of people. It took me a while to find a portrait or a picture of a dog, or at least an animal that it would use as recognizing as a face. But watch this. I'm just blown away. And I'm going to change some things like happiness here. I'm going to run through these really fast. And I'm just going back and forth on the sliders on the right. And you can see unbelievably how amazing this is. I'm just going to let it run here. And I'm going to pause it here. And I'm going to stop talking here for a second because I'm just actually blown away. It did take me, again, a while to find a picture of a dog that would work. I tried a cat and animals and different things, but this is the first dog I got to work. I'm going to switch away from that in a second and show you something else I tried here. Let's see, I did makeup transfer here. I didn't ding with this much on the rest of them, but again, it recognizes as a face, and so I was able to apply some of these style transfers. That's really not the emphasis of this. It's the other portion of the portrait, the Smart Portrait. This is from freepick.com. I'm a member there. And look at this. I don't even know what to say. It's just crazy here. Watch the eyes here move left and right. Again, I made a copy of the layer of the image before I started to apply this in case things got really distorted. I could add a mask and bring over only the things I wanted. But you get the idea of what's going on here. I won't bore you too much with this. I do have some other ones here I wanted to show you, though. This is just crazy. Sometimes I look at this when I do this and I forget to change some expressions over on the right, so I apologize for some delays in here. This is speeded up about 300%. Ooh, scary. This is just amazing to me. I don't know what to say. Even the light direction is phenomenal here. Here's a Mixamo character I brought down, and I picked a pose of this dancer, and then I rendered out the layer, and then this is the rendered layer, and so now I'm going to apply the neural filters to this. I apologize, I didn't zoom up on this right away during the recording, but I will in a few seconds here. Again, the first time it takes a little while to get things cooking, but once it gets started, that data must be up in the cloud, so it changes relatively quickly. Again, as a reminder, I made a duplicate layer of the actual image before I brought it in here in case I need to mask something out. Okay, I just wanted to show this to you. Somebody probably has already done this, but I tried this morning and I was completely blown away. You have a good day.